Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to accept friend request in Monopoly Go. Let's get started right away. First of all, launch the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page of Monopoly Go, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab at the bottom right hand corner from the main screen. Now, you will be able to see pending requests if you've received any on this page inside the Add Friends tab. If you want to accept a request, tap the green Accept button. Whereas, if you'd like to ignore the request, tap on Ignore. After tapping on the Accept button, your new friend will be added to your friend list. That is how you can easily accept the friend request that you've received in Monopoly Go. Now that you know how to accept friend requests in Monopoly Go, you can enjoy the game with your friends and make your experience even more fun. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Happy gaming!